In this session, we are going to discuss about the decimal numbers expansion. Here, what is meant by a decimal number? A decimal number is nothing but the number which comes after the dot is called as decimal number. Here, first we are going to discuss about the expansion form of a number. Here, I am taking a number like this. 200 plus 50 plus 3. Here I am representing 0 at the thousands place, and I am representing 200 at 100 place. I am representing 50 at tens place, and the digit 3 at ones place. That is nothing but 253 is the given number. Here I am representing the expansion form of the number 253 by using this TLM. In the same way, we can represent any number by using this TLM. For example, I am going to represent 1486. Here I am representing 1486. By forming them in this way, we can represent the expansion form of the given digits of a number. Here 1486 is nothing but the 1000 in this chart represents the place value of the 1 in that 1486. This 400 represents the place value of the 4 in that number, and this 80 represents the place value of 8 in that number, and this 6 represents the place value of 6 in that number. Here 1000 is nothing but 1 into 1000. This 400 is nothing but 4 into 100. This 80 is nothing but 80 into 10. This 6 is nothing but 6 into 1. In the same way, we can represent any number by using this TLM. Here I am representing another number, that is, for example, 9939. That is, here I am representing the number 9939. That is nothing but the place value of the 9 at 1000 place is given by 9 into 1000, which is equal to 9000, and the place value of 9 which is at 100 place is given by 9 into 100 is equal to 900, and the place value of 3 which is at tens place is given by 3 into 10, and the place value of 9 which is at ones place is given by 9 into 1. By using this one, we can represent the place value of all digits. In the similar way, we are going to write the place values of the numbers which are having a decimal points. Here I am writing a decimal number like this one, that is 253.413. By using this TLM, how we represent 253? That is, first we have to place 200, and then we are going to move to the 50 below this number, and we have to place the digit 3 below this one. This is about the place value of the 253, that is 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1. This is the expansion form of 253. That is, I am writing in this one like this one, that is 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1. In the similar way, the decimal points are also expanded by using this one. When we are moving from left to right, the place values are decreased by 1 by 10. When we are moving from right to left, the position values are increased by 10. That is, they are multiplied by 10. They are multiplied by 10 when we are moving from left to right, that is from here to here. The position values are divided by 10, that is here 100, here it becomes 10, here it becomes 1, here it becomes 1 by 10, here it becomes 1 by 100, here it becomes 1 by 1000, that is it is decreasing by 1 by 10. Here I am writing the expansion form of 253.417 is equal to 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 by 10 plus 1 into 1 by 100 plus 7 into 1 by 1000. This is the expansion form of this number. Next, we are going to write the place value of each digit in this number. The place value of 2 is given by 2 into 100. Why it is like 2 into 100? The digit 2 at 100's place. So we have to multiply 2 with 100, which gives place value of the 100. That is, the place value of a digit is nothing but we have to multiply the position value of the digit with the given digit gives the place value. That is, here we are multiplying the digit with its position value or place position value. It will give us place value of this digit, and the place value of 5 is given by 5 into 10, which is equal to 50. That is, 5 is at 10th place. So we are multiplying 5 with 10, and the digit 3 is at 1's place. So we are going to multiply 3 with 1. It gives the place value is equal to 3, and the place value of 4 is given by 4 into 1 by 10, as this digit 4 at 10th place. That is, 10th place is nothing but 1 by 10. So we are going to multiply it with 1 by 10. That is equal to 4 by 10 is equal to 0.4. And the digit 1 is at 100th place. So we are going to multiply it with 1 into 1 by 100, that gives rise to 0.01, and the digit 7 is at 1000th place. So we are going to multiply it with the 1 by 1000, that is 7 into 1 by 1000 is equal to 7 by 1000 is equal to 0.07. Next, we are going to discuss the same concept with another example. Here I am writing another number, that is 63.352. The expansion form of this number 63.352 is written like this. That is, 6 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 3 into 1 by 10 plus 5 into 1 by 100 plus 2 into 1 by 1000. This is the expansion form of given number. And below it I am writing the place value of each digit. First you have to observe it and understand it.